Hey, it's me, Tommy Gallen. I'm doing a quick estimate for some new clients, and I want to show you what I found up there. Now, you have to remember, this isn't a place that people don't know why they should get their gutters cleaned. But here's the kicker. This is the side of the house without any trees at all. Well, that was a great estimate, and it goes to show you that with or without trees, gutters in San Diego are going to get clogged up. It's either going to be roofing materials, or it's going to be some organic debris, or it's going to be something that somebody else left behind, like this. Unbelievable. But San Diego Gutters are super professional, and we're going to come in and clean all that out for you. All right? This has been a San Diego Gutters video. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned for more informational videos, and thank you again for all of your support. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to make a video just to answer your questions. Have a great day.